In this video, I will show you how to make a trend line in Google Sheets like this and how to add equation of a line and R square value in the graph. Also, you will see how to improve the graph quality in Google Sheets. Let's get started. So remember, in Google Sheets, the first column is always x-axis and the second column is always y-axis. So we have a data concentration versus area. Select the x-axis, then select the y-axis. Go to the insert option and click on chart, and the chart will be inserted. As you can see, the chart doesn't look good compared to the customized chart. We will convert this raw chart to a good looking chart. First, we will change the title of this chart. At present, it is showing area versus concentration, but it is actually concentration versus area. Just double click on this and we will just rearrange it to make concentration versus area. Now select this title, and under the chart title you will see here option auto. Click on auto and select 24 font. Click on bold, center align it and make it black. Similarly, we will also increase the font size of axis titles as well. So y axis we are done. For the x axis, again we will select here 24, bold and black. For the numbers, as you can see, they are not appearing properly. Just click on them and you will see again option to increase the font size and color. Similarly, we will increase the font size and color for this x-axis as well. Now you can see here there is no axis line. To add axis line, click on the numbers and you will see now here option show axis line. Click on it. But now as we see, there is no major ticks. To add major ticks, go to the grid line and tick option. Click on major ticks and select position outside. Now on x-axis as well, go to the grid lines and tick. Click on major tick and position outside. Now as you can see, our points are not within the graph area. To change the scale, click on these numbers. Click on this option minimum. In the minimum box, enter 0 and maximum number 8. So now our point is within the chart area, but it is still at the border. So we will change the x-axis. Click on the numbers, enter minimum value 0 and maximum 8. Now our all points are inside the graph area. To remove these grid lines, click on the grid lines, select white, select this grid lines, again select white to remove the grid lines. Now we will add a trend line. To add a trend line, click on the blue dots and you will see the option color. You can change the color from here if you want to, and if you scroll down you will see here option trend line. Click on it and a trend line will be added. Now we need to add equation of a line and R square. To do that, scroll down and under the labels you will see here option use equation. Click on it and you will see this option, and also click on show R square. Now write this equation of a trend line in Google Sheets. Double click on equation of line and now you will see here option text label. Type equation of a line colon y is equal to 1.01 x plus 0.05. Select the font 18, make it bold, select spacebar here so that R square is separated. Click on this option area and remove this text label and click on the graph. Now our graph is ready. You can resize the graph if you want to, like this, or you can increase the size overall. Once you are done, just click on these two dots and click on download and you can save it as image or a PDF file. I will select here PNG file. Just click on save, and when you open this graph you will see that the graph is of high quality. If this video solved your problem, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to comment below, and I will be very happy if you could subscribe the channel to help me. See you again in the next video.